This is a battery module out of our hybrid BMW. It's configured in something called 16S1P. What is 16S1P? Let's explain that to our target audience. Using some AA batteries. So we're going to start off by taking out 16 of these. We have 16 cells. Each one of these batteries represents one cell in that pack. If we arrange them in series, like so, this will give us the 16S part. So 16S just means in series, like ducks in a row. 1P means in parallel, and 1P means that this is just a single string of parallel. If this was, let's say, 8S 2P, it would look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8S, and then 1P and then 2P. But let's go back to our original example. So if this is 16S1P, why doesn't it look like our battery module there? Well, this is where we have to deal with space constraints and physical constraints. It wouldn't make sense to make such a long module. It wouldn't really fit in the car well. So this is what they do. They take these cells and they just align them like so. Because in series, we are connecting them positive to negative, positive to negative. Now this takes up way less space. Put our cover back on here. And here we can see the negative connection, and here we can see that positive connection of the battery module. But that is 16S 1P inside of this battery module.